welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today we're talking about Spectacular Shag by TressAllure. At first glance, I was like, oh, I don't know if this is my style, but I'm kind of excited to share this with you guys today, you know? I'm finding that a lot of people nowadays, like on TikTok, okay, I must be a mom and totally out of date. TikTok. A lot of kids on TikTok, a lot of teens, they're doing these shags, they're doing these like curtain bangs, they're doing all these things that were popular back in the day, and now they're coming back. And I think sometimes it takes us a bit to get back into it, like these flippy layers and stuff, but that's what they're doing. They're doing these fun layers and all these different fun styles. And so I think it's really cool that these different brands are, you know, following along the different trends and offering these various different looks. So here I am willing to check out these different looks and share them so that you guys can see what they look like and what there is available. I do have things that I naturally gravitate to, and usually it's some length, you know, some waves, some glamour, but this is a really fun style, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. The color that you see right here is 747T. So let's talk about the color, and then we will move on to this cute shag. So 747T is very easy. It's just dark brown, medium red. Perfect for fall. You have that auburn look, you have that red in there, and you have that brown. A very pretty brunette color. So Spectacular Shag by TressAllure is a bi-level tousled shag. It falls below the shoulders. You have double knotted roots on this here wig, which adds a lot of lift. However, it can be brush smooth. You can take your brush and make it nice and sleek and smooth if that's the look you're going for. This style features a sheer comfort cap, which has your low density and very comfortable fit. You have this gorgeous lace front. Here's a close look of that. So you can wear the bangs off and away from the face if that's what you wish. But you do have this shaggy bang if that's what you'd like to wear. Wear it every which way. Wear it parted in the middle. Shag it up. You really can do what you want with this here shag because you do have that lace front. You do have the style able heat friendly effortless fiber, so you can use your heat tools at a low setting, and you can add waves, you can add curl, you can flat iron it, you can just, you know, change it up to your specifications to meet your different needs and preferences. You just keep it between 270 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This is part of the Look Fabulous collection by TressAllure, and this is your average size wig. I would say that this TressAllure wig fits me, you know, true to size. Like most people know, I fit average in the majority of wig brands, and it feels like this one fits me true average from front to nape and from ear to ear. So I would say that this Spectacular Shag is true average in size. Now let's do a full turnaround so you guys can see this cute flippy layered shaggy style from all angles. Okay, let's take this off so you guys can see the underside. Okay, so you have this beautiful lace front, like I mentioned before, individually hand tied. You can wear it away from the face if you'd like. Then you do have a monofilament top. This is individually hand tied, so you can part this Spectacular Shag every which way. You can create a style if you wish. And this here shag does have a lot of volume up top, I've noticed. I mean, a lot of volume, as you can see, even with this here monofilament top. I mean, oftentimes when you have this type of volume up in the crown, it's because you have like permatease, and there isn't. I mean, it's a hand-tied monofilament top, and you have some great volume on this here shag. You definitely have a lot of layering. See, you have this shorter area up top, and then it goes longer. You have this longer nape area that flips. I mean, how fun is this style? It is awesome. You can see the silhouette of that, looking at it on the side. See all those layers? How cool is that? This is open wefted, the remaining area of the cap. That's nice and breathable. You have great air ventilation. You have your velvet ear tabs, and you have an extended velvet nape with the adjusters at the nape. Alrighty, let's put her back on. Decided to change the part just to see what that would look like. Changing it from the way that it came kind of makes it more side swept across the forehead. That's kind of fun. Okay, so the front of the Spectacular Shag is 5.5 to 9.5 inches in length. Your back is 7.5 inches. Your crown is 7.5 inches to 9.5 inches. And your nape is 7.5 inches. The product weight for Spectacular Shag is 4.6 ounces. The density for this here wig is medium. I think it feels fairly light, but it's not stringy. So I think that the layering and everything makes it feel lighter. And then the fibers are nice and light. They feel great. And it does have a little bit of a shine, but I don't think it has an unrealistic shine. It just has like a new wig shine to it. And I think the color is pretty. They feel good. They're nice and soft and silky. So overall, I am impressed with the fibers, with the feel, with the monofilament, with the lace front, with the fit. It's nice and snug. It's comfortable. It really does feel great. So this is a funky hairstyle. Is it me? I don't know that it's me, but it's fun. It's really fun. And I think that the right person, the right outfit, the right environment or atmosphere, you know, like I just think that it's fun, that it's available and out there for the person that's looking for it. And it is something that is on trend. Like I follow a local hair salon that's here by me, and they do like the funnest, most funky haircuts, and like I feel old school, like compared to what they do, because they're just so cool. And this is more along the lines of what they offer. So I think it's cool that that's something that TressAllure has decided to create and offer those out there who wear alternative hair. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about Spectacular Shag by TressAllure. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this color? 747T, which is your dark brown and your red. If this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. I'd love to know what you think about this here fun style. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.